That's the difference between a well-stored filament and a filament that was left outside to absorb all the moisture and the humidity in the air. Hi everyone. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you the difference between a filament that was well stored, recently opened and packaged versus a filament that I accidentally left outside. These are both same brand, same material. These are both PETG, and I bought them same spool, same brand, everything same, except this was properly stored, sealed, and never opened until the day I'm using it, versus this one here that I left outside. And you can see all the stringing, all the, like, the print is horrible just because I forgot to seal and store the filament properly. And I ended up leaving the filament outside to absorb all the moisture, all the humidity in the air, and it makes a big difference. I'm printing both on the same settings, same printer, same material, everything same. I'm even printing the same file, and look at the difference. This one is so much cleaner, smoother, less stringing, and I did not even change the settings. But look at this. This is terrible, right? I did not think it would make this much of a difference, but all the humidity and the moisture in the air ended up ruining the filament. So it definitely makes a difference on how you store the filament and how you take care of them while they're not being used. I just wanted to show that in this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.